All right, class, this is ITL 520, week 4, post 2. I'm going to teach you guys a lesson on how to swing a softball or baseball bat. First, I want to start by saying when you teach the swing, you want to consider all levels of ability. So to start, you want to start from using a tool that keeps the ball stationary. So a tee, anything that, keeps the ball stationary and not moving. So we can work on simple movement patterns, body alignment, posture, those types of things. So stationary ball, and then I would progress to a soft toss, either from the side or right out in front of the player or student. If you have an L screen or protective netting that can protect you. And then I would go into like throwing batting practice, either underhand or overhand, depending on if it's softball or baseball. So I might have to get up and show you guys what I would talk the class through. So basically, we're talking about the swing in baseball. So body alignment's important. So if you guys are the pitcher, I want to get, my feet about shoulder width apart, and I want to push my hips behind my rib cage so I have a little bit of posture. And usually I tell students a good balanced position to be in is a position to where your shin angle and your spine angle are both matching, right? So if I bend my knees a little bit, my back's still straight, I have to tilt from the hips a little bit to get in that good balanced position. So then from there, it would be, simple cues to start off. And I like using the environment to try to produce the best swing from the player or student. So just simple cues like stepping in direction to the pitcher, keeping my hands near, or off this back shoulder while I go forward. And then just maintaining. And this is the same for golf, or tennis moves are quite the same when you look at how the lower half works. But you basically want to maintain your spine angle throughout that whole turn, right? So now I have a little bit of side bend here, but I can maintain direction if I keep my posture solid. That's a little bit technical. First time teaching this, I would just say, keep your hands near your shoulder, step forward and try to maintain that posture throughout your turn. And then obviously chin down, eyes down on the ball through impact. Anything else? Let's see. I would just make adjustments, like I said, using the environment. So if I'm teaching a novice softball player, I don't want that student to think about where his or her elbow is during the swing. I don't want that student thinking internal cues. I don't want them thinking body parts. I want them thinking, let's try to impact the ball at an 8-foot trajectory off the bat. So low line drives, and just pick targets around and try to hit low line drives and set those targets at those heights. That's how I would go about teaching a skill in physical education. Thank you.